Welcome back to our YouTube channel Global Chartist. Today we will talk about stock of the year. So as we all know that this financial year is about to end and new financial year is starting with effect from 1st April 2022. So for the next financial year I have come up with one beautiful stock, and that stock is Steel Authority of India, SAIL. So we all know that this is a government owned company and it's in metal sector. So इस कंपनी के फंडामेंटल की अगर हम बात करें, इट्स अ डिविडेंड पेइंग कंपनी, वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग कंपनी. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट अभी जो फ्रॉम लास्ट 2 years हम लोग इन्फ्लेशन देख रहे हैं मार्केट में, सो उस इन्फ्लेशन के चलते स्टील प्राइसेस आर गोइंग अप. सो उस वजह से इस स्टील अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया को काफ़ी बेनिफिट हो रहे हैं, प्रॉफिट्स आर इंक्रीजिंग फॉर दिस कंपनी. And apart from that, the stake sale of 24 PSUs by the Modi government is very beneficial for these companies. So in that, Steel Authority of India Limited is also one of that company. So coming years, there is much positive time for the company, and we can expect a good rally on the basis of fundamental also. But whenever I say that the fundamental is strong, that doesn't mean we can enter at any level. So for entry and exit, we always see technicals, we always check charts. So हम चार्ट को भी देखेंगे, बट फंडामेंटली ये कंपनी काफ़ी अच्छी है, काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है. सो अब हम टेक्निकल चार्ट के बारे में बात करते हैं. सो टेक्निकली करंटली दिस स्टॉक इज ट्रेडिंग एट 104. So now if we talk about technicals of the company, so on the basis of technicals we can see that the company, this is a daily chart of the company first. Okay, so on the daily chart, this company has formed a wedge breakout. Okay, so on daily chart it is already has given a breakout yesterday. So now currently it is at 104. so what I can see is it looks good till on dips till 99 and 100, and the stop loss we can keep as 81, and the targets are very big. If I come up with the targets are इस जो टारगेट्स निकल रहे हैं इसके, दैट इज़ 122, 131, 146. एंड अगर हमें इसके आगे के भी टारगेट देखने हैं, सो वी विल शिफ्ट टू वीकली चार्ट नाउ. सो ऑन वीकली चार्ट्स ऑल्सो, बिकॉज एज आई एम सेइंग इट्स अ स्टॉक ऑफ द ईयर, सो द स्टॉक ऑफ द ईयर कैन नॉट बी डन ऑन दी डेली चार्ट. सो हम उसके लिए वीकली चार्ट, मंथली चार्ट्स भी देखेंगे. सो अगर हम मंथली चार्ट की बात करते हैं या वीकली चार्ट की, तो वीकली चार्ट पे अगर हम देखें, सो ये स्टॉक ने अपना ब्रेकआउट रीटेस्टिंग भी करा है. सो दिस ब्रेकआउट रीटेस्टिंग इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी पॉजिटिव फॉर दिस कंपनी. सो बिकॉज अगर हम जैसे कोई भी स्टॉक अगर ब्रेकआउट रीटेस्टिंग करता है, सो उसमें क्या होता है कि कोई कंपनी, जैसे मैंने लास्ट अपनी वीडियोस में भी बताया है कि कोई जैसे ट्रेन चली है मुंबई से दिल्ली आने के लिए, बट वो अहमदाबाद से वापस मुंबई गई है अपने लोगों को वापस ट्रेन बोर्ड कराने के लिए. सो वही मैं कहता हूँ, उसको ही मैं बोलता हूँ ब्रेकआउट रीटेस्टिंग ऑल्सो. So this on the weekly chart also it has done a breakout retesting, and the support is same, 81 with the targets are getting bigger now, the 155, 172, 181. So these are the targets coming. And on monthly chart also, if we see on monthly chart also, same, it is on a breakout retesting zone. See, it is on a breakout retesting which has done a few on the 2nd of March. Breakout retesting has been done 2-3 weeks ago only on monthly chart also. So it is a very positive sign. On all time frame this stock is giving signal. So it's a good stock for the portfolio also. And this is my reading. This is only for educational purpose. For any profit or loss, I will not be liable. My company is not liable for that. You can consult your financial advisor before taking any trade in this company. So but this is my study on the chart patterns, on technicals, indicators, and on the fundamental ground. So that is why I have found useful, so I've shared with you so that you guys can learn from this. uh, Again I will come up with the market ki baat on Saturday. So Saturday I will upload another video on market ki baat, where I will share about the technical levels of the sectoral analysis of the different sectors in the NSE. So we'll meet you all on Saturday. And apart from that, on Saturday I have announced a market analytics webinar, which is a free webinar on at 12 noon. So you guys can fill the Google form for that, so that I will share the link on Saturday. Thanks a lot. We'll meet you all on Saturday. Bye.